How did the first life appear on Earth? Okay, picture this. Long, long ago, tiny space rocks rained down from the sky. Some of them may have carried sleepy, squishy space cats, not furry cats. Think jelly-like, bubble cats. Back then, Earth had warm, steamy puddles full of yummy stuff. The bubble cats landed in this soup. It had just the right ingredients, like nature's recipe. Some bubble cats started copying themselves. They slurped up the soup and made more of themselves. Little by little, they got better at living. They changed and grew into all kinds of amazing creatures. And after billions of years, guess what? Some of them became us. Pretty wild, huh?